Hey, what is up going guys? So this is your boy Gaming Gambler today and I'm bringing you a brand new PC build 2016. It's priced around $350 to $400, which is approximately 40,000 Indian rupees. So I brought this PC, I've built it. It's working perfectly fine. I'm running it on Windows 7 64-bit and I have no issues with this thing, and I'm satisfied with this. I didn't overclock it yet because I had to swap the motherboard since I bought it from a retail store. So if you so try maximum to get the parts I've listed below for optimal performance and to overclock it better. So without further ado, let's get into this. So for the processor, I went with the Intel Pentium G3258 3.2 GHz. It's an LGA 1150 socket. Uh, don't underestimate it since it's a Pentium. You can overclock it for up to 4.2 gigahertz, and if you're going with stock cooler, you could overclock it up to 4.5 gigahertz. It's a pretty affordable choice. It's a very good choice to go, and it's one of the best Pentium processors out there, and it's priced around $67 and 7,800 rupees. uh, yeah, it's also pretty good for gaming. It's really very good for gaming, and that's a pretty good choice. So coming up, for the motherboard, I went with the Asus H81MA. So here you got a LGA 1150 socket, of course, and here you gotta look out for the product number. I mean, you gotta check out it's H81MA. It's your primary choice. For some reason, I couldn't get it for in India, so I went for the Asus H81MP33, which will be your second option, and the price for both of them is approximately near. The H81MA is priced for around $55. I mean, $54.1, and coming to rupees, it's like it's around 3,700. Uh, so you could it's pretty affordable, and you could overclock the G3258 easily. uh, so yeah, that's a pretty good choice. So for the storage, I went with the Seagate 1 TB desktop hard drive. It's clocked at 6 gigabytes per second, and it's priced for over $48.7 on Amazon, and that's equal to like 3,700 rupees, and it's a pretty affordable choice, and you could get like any big game out there in the market. It's very sufficient. 1 TB is more than necessary for gaming, so I went for this. For the RAM, I went with the Kingston HyperX Fury 8 GB module, DDR3 module, clocked at 1866 megahertz, and 8 GB is actually basic for gaming. If you want to upgrade it, you can even go for the 16 GB RAM, and it's priced at $34, which is approximately equal to it's approximately equal to like 2,700 rupees, and it's very cheap, and it's very optimal, and it gives you optimal performance. For the power supply, I went with the Cooler Master Thunder 500 watt SMPS. It's actually priced for $80 in Amazon and like 3,700 rupees. 500 watts, I think it's necessary for gaming and gives like optimal performance, and I liked it very much, so I recommend it to go with it. Thank you. For the graphics card, I went with the Zotac GeForce GTX 750 Ti 2 GB GDDR5 PCIe Express. So it's like the most cheapest and the best value graphics card you could get out there in the market, and it's priced at $107, or you could get from Amazon India for like 10,000 rupees approximately. Uh, it's one of the best graphics cards out there, and it perfectly fits on the motherboard, and I recommend it. Last but not the least, the cabinet. I went with the Cooler Master LV311 cabinet, which sells on Amazon.in for like 3,500 rupees, and from Amazon.com. You could get it with a built-in 420 watt power supply for $150. So without the SMPS built in, you could get it like $50, and that's a pretty better choice. I would recommend it. The main drawback is that it comes with only one rear fan. I don't think it's a very big drawback for me. uh, think it shouldn't be even a drawback for you, so I recommend this. So finally, we have built a PC, and optionally you could get a DVD burner if you need. So grab a mouse, grab a cable, and you could install the drivers first, connect to the Ethernet, download the latest drivers for your graphics card, for your chipset, and get boosted in. So firstly, you need to install the Windows. I would recommend to go with the Windows 7 for better gaming performance. You could even use the Windows 10 or later versions, but I went with the Windows 10 because I like Windows 7, but Windows 10 is quite a bit of advanced, so I'm thinking of bringing it back to Windows 7 even. So it's a pretty good choice. So if you're gonna install Windows 7, that's good, go with it. If you're gonna install Windows 10, that's not bad, but I would recommend Windows 7. So anyways guys, that's all for this video. I hope you like the video. For more upcoming gaming videos, subscribe and like if this worked. Peace out.